In this video, we're looking at substitution. So the word substitution means replacing one thing with another. So in algebra, we will replace a pronumeral, or a letter, with a number. So we're going to look at an example here. So an example would be to evaluate, which just means to solve, b plus 3, when b equals 3. So to begin with, I'm going to write down the expression we were given, which is b plus 3. Now what we're looking to change is that b, so I'm going to do that here, alright? It's coloured. So we know that b equals 3, so how I can rewrite this is 3 plus 3. So as you can see, my b here has now been substituted with what it equals. Alright, so we said b equals 3. So now our b has changed or been replaced with that number, which is 3. We then can solve that. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So I'm going to go over it one more time, because sometimes it's a little bit tricky to understand what's going on. So b equals 49. Alright, so I'm going to write down my expression again. B plus 3. Alright, let me change this colour. So I'm focusing on that green b, and it's changing to what we said it equals, and we said it equals 49. So I can write 49 there, and that plus 3 still stays. So again, what's happening is that b, we're replacing it with what it equals, which is 49. Alright, and then 49 plus 3 is just 52. Now, before we end the video, something to remember is, if you have such an expression such as 2a, alright, remember this is the same as having 2 times a. So if we were given 2a again, and I'm told that let a equal 2, for example, we're going to do our substitution. So I have 2a here. I'm going to do it in a different color, 2a, and I'm going to substitute in what we said a equals. So that's going to be 2 times 2. Okay, now I can solve that. So what's happened there is this a has been, we've substituted in what it equals, and we said a equals 2. So now we can solve that. So 4. So just remember, if you have 2a, 3b, I don't know, 5c, those kind of things, there's an invisible multiplication sign in there because you have 5 of that letter. So when you go to do your substitution, make sure you add that times back. Alright, so it would be wrong if I had said this is going to equal 22. Okay, so that is not it. You need to have that multiplication sign in there.